Cleaning the house. Keeping your home clean. On Saturday morning, I woke up early because I had a big task ahead: cleaning the house. My home had become a bit messy during the week, and I knew it was time to get down to some serious cleaning. I decided to start off with the living room. First, I picked up all the magazines, books, and papers that were lying around. I organized them neatly on the bookshelf. Then, I dusted off the furniture with a cloth. It's amazing how much dust can build up in just a few days. After that, I wiped down the coffee table and TV stand with a wet cloth to make them shine. Next, I vacuumed the carpet. I had to move around the chairs and small tables to reach every corner. I was surprised to come across a few coins and a missing sock under the sofa. I also used a broom to sweep up the dust in hard-to-reach areas. Finally, I plumped up the cushions on the sofa to make them look fresh and comfortable. After the living room was spotless, I moved to the kitchen. I started by clearing away the dirty dishes that had piled up in the sink. I washed them carefully and wiped down the countertops. Then, I opened the fridge to throw out any old or expired food. I noticed a bad smell, so I decided to clean out the fridge completely. I removed all the shelves, scrubbed them down, and dried them before putting everything back in place. The fridge looked much better afterward. Next, I tackled the stove. There were some greasy stains, so I sprayed some cleaner and let it soak in for a few minutes. Afterward, I wiped it off with a sponge, and the stove looked brand new. I finished by mopping the kitchen floor to leave it sparkling clean. Then, it was time to clean the bathroom. I sprayed the sink, shower, and toilet with disinfectant and let it sit for a few minutes. While I waited, I started to tidy up the bathroom shelves. I threw away empty shampoo bottles and other things I didn't need anymore. Once everything was organized, I went back to the sink and shower to scrub them down. The tiles were a bit dirty, so I used an old toothbrush to get rid of the grime in the corners. Finally, I wiped down the mirror until it was crystal clear. My last stop was the bedroom. I began by making the bed, which always makes the room look tidier. Then I put away my clothes, folding the clean ones and putting the dirty ones in the laundry basket. I also opened the windows to let in some fresh air. After I finished cleaning the bedroom, I went back to the living room to light a candle and enjoy the fresh scent. The house smelled great, and I felt proud of my hard work. Cleaning the house took a few hours, but it was worth it. Everything looked neat, and I knew I could kick back and relax for the rest of the day. Key phrasal verbs and their meanings. Now repeat after me. Get down to. To start focusing on something important or serious. Start off. To begin doing something. Pick up. To collect or lift things that are out of place. Dust off. To remove dust from surfaces by wiping or brushing. Build up. To gradually increase or accumulate. Wipe down. To clean a surface using a wet cloth. Vacuum. To clean carpets or floors using a vacuum cleaner. Move around. To change the position of objects. Come across. To find something unexpectedly. Sweep up. To clean dust or dirt from the floor with a broom. Plump up. To shake and fluff cushions or pillows to make them look full. Clear away. To remove things to create a tidy space. Throw out. To discard something that is no longer needed. Clean out. To empty and clean the inside of something. Scrub down. To clean something thoroughly by scrubbing hard. Soak in. To let something sit in liquid for better cleaning. Wipe off. To clean a surface by wiping. Mop. To clean the floor using a wet mop. Sit for. To leave cleaning products or other substances on a surface for a certain time. Tidy up. To organize and clean a space. Get rid of. To remove something unwanted or unnecessary. Make the bed. To arrange the pillows and blankets neatly on the bed. Put away. To place items in their proper storage place. Let in. To allow fresh air, light, or someone to enter. Light a candle. To burn a candle for light or a pleasant scent. Kick back. To relax and enjoy yourself after work or a task. Want to learn English but don't know where to start? Join our English learning community. We explain difficult topics in simple terms. Practice speaking English without fear of mistakes. Support, motivation, and communication with like-minded people. Start speaking English today. Subscribe and learn with us.